In this video, we'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay quickly and easily. First, log into your MoonPay account. If it's your first time, click Sign Up and follow the instructions to create an account. MoonPay is a platform that allows you to buy cryptocurrencies using credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or Apple Pay. It supports Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in multiple countries, making it accessible to a wide range of users. To buy Bitcoin, click on the Buy option and select BTC from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you want to buy, keeping in mind the minimum purchase requirement. Click Continue, then fill in your details, including your full name, nationality, and address. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Once done, your Bitcoin will be transferred to the payment method you selected. You can use a debit card, credit card, or Apple Pay for a fast and straightforward transaction. If you encounter any issues while buying Bitcoin, visit MoonPay's Help Center or contact their customer service for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Bitcoin on MoonPay.